Do subscribe to SU Learning YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new update.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम देखेंगे सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस। ओके, तो इसके लिए आपका स्वागत है यस यूई लर्निंग में। मैं सतीश आपको बताना जा रहा हूं व्हाट आर सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस। ओके, उसके लिए डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे पहले। तो ठीक है, व्हाट इज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वो तो पहले पता होना चाहिए। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज नथिंग बट equation in one variable having highest power of variable equals to 2. Okay, this will become your quadratic equation, means your equation in one variable having highest power of your variable equals to 1। मतलब जो भी आपका टर्म रहेगा वेरिएबल का, उसका हाईएस्ट पावर क्या होना चाहिए? 2 होना चाहिए। मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल वी विल कंसीडर x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0। ओके, but look at here, this is your variable term. Here you are having variable, now it has power 1, it has power 2, means power of this equation is nothing but 2. Power of equation is nothing but highest power of variable term. Okay, that's why it has become your quadratic equation. Okay, now what is general form of your quadratic equation? General form of quadratic equation is nothing but you will consider ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, means observe here carefully, your highest power of your variable is 2. That time it will become your quadratic equation. Now it is clear your power option. For this you should take a not equal to 0 and a b c belongs to your r. Okay, this is your quadratic equation in general form. Now we will go to find its solution. Okay, how to find the solution? What is meant by solution? Solution of the equation is that a number which satisfies these equations, means replacing the number by x gives who satisfies this whole equation. That number is called as your solution of this equation. Okay, now we will go some example. For some example, this for example 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now find the solution of this equation. For this what we will do, we will consider just your x equals to minus 1. Okay, what will happen if you consider x equals to minus 1? For sake of convenience I will take this as minus 1. Okay, x is equal to minus 1. Now just check whether what happens with if you replace your x by minus 1. Plus 2 into minus 1, minus 1 equals to equals to 3 into minus 1 square is 3, 1 only, plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and minus 1, this has become 0. 3 minus 3, it has become 0, means x equals to minus 1, it has become your solution now. Okay, replacing x by minus 1, you are getting your solution. Okay, means your this minus 1 satisfies your equation, therefore it has become solution. Now it was your inspection method. Now in general you want to find your solutions of these quadratic equations. For example, suppose consider one example, x square minus 2x minus 50 equals to 0. For example, this is the equation and you want to find the solution of this equation. What I am going to do is, you just consider this as x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 50. Okay, what I have done, I have just written this term as minus 5x minus 3x plus 3x. This is nothing but minus 2, means these are equal terms. Okay, now what this implies, I will just take x as a common. Okay, what will happen here? It will be your x minus 5. Now I will take 3 common from these two terms. 3 into x minus 5 equals to 0. Now look at here, x minus 5 is there, therefore I will take just x minus 5 common. Okay, it has become x plus 3 equal to 0. Means you can directly, you have shifted your quadratic equation to product of two linear factors. Now directly you will find its solutions. Product of two number equal to 0 means at least first equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0 means your x equals to 5 or x equal to minus 3. You have got your solutions. Okay, this 5 satisfies this equation, minus 3 will satisfy this equation. How now observe this, how we have got these equations. Okay, we have just written this middle term in terms of split, middle in terms of two more terms. Okay, means for in general. Now suppose your equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You want to find solution of this equation. Now what you will do, you will find one alpha, you will find two terms alpha and beta such that you will split this middle term in the form of alpha and beta such that your alpha plus beta will becomes to middle term, okay, bx, and alpha into beta will become your product of first and last term. Okay, such that you will such like this you will shift your bx. Okay, means will split like this your bx. Okay, now come again here. Now what was your a? Your a was 1, your b was minus 2, and your c was minus 15. You want what? Alpha and beta such that middle term should be sum of these two terms. Means minus 2x should have sum of other two terms. I have written minus 5x and 3x. Look at carefully here. Sum of these two terms is nothing but minus 2x. Means alpha and beta has become here minus 5x and okay. And product of these terms, okay, consider product of these terms. What will happen? Minus 5x into 3x, it will become minus 15x square. Okay, and now observe here, product of this term and this term is nothing but minus 15x square. Means first term was our x square and second term was our minus 15. It has minus 15x square. Means product of your two terms is nothing but product of first and last term here. Okay, like this you can split your middle terms in the form of this alpha and beta, and then you will get your quadratic equation in the product of linear factors. And solution of linear factor is easy one. Okay, comparatively easy. Now by using this method we will quickly go on one more example for this. Okay, this will help you to find solution of your quadratic equation. Okay, I am considering it as x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, this is your equation for quadratic equation in the form of quadratic equation. Now what I will do, I will just split the middle term minus 2x in the form such that their sum is minus 2x. Two terms sum is minus 2x. What will take? I will take 2. What are product of 2? I can take minus 1x and minus 1x. Okay, and the product of this thing, what is product of this thing? Minus 1x into minus 1x is x square plus x square is nothing but product of first and the last term. Means this is your addition and this is your product. Product is nothing but first and last terms product, and addition is middle term. Okay, likewise I am shifting this quadratic equation. Means I will write minus x square and middle term as minus x means minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this was your splitting. Now what this will be? This will be nothing but you will take x as common, and then it will be x minus 1, and then you take just minus 1 common, but it will be x minus 1. Okay, then take x minus 1 common and you will get x minus 1 again. It is nothing but x minus 1 square. Means to find solutions, what you will get? You have to put this as equal to 0. Now what you will get? X minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Means you got x equal to 1 comma 1. These are your roots. Means like this you can split your middle term in the form of sum of these two terms and product in the form of this product. Okay, you have to split like this. By this you will shift your quadratic polynomial in the form of your product of two linear factors, and solution of this two linear factor is too much easy. This was one easiest method to find the solution of this quadratic equation. Now in next lecture we will find how to find a solution by completing square method. Okay. This was all about our splitting middle term. Now to find quadratic solution of quadratic equation by different method, it is called as by completing square method. You need to wait for my next video. In this video, we will find solution by completing square method. Okay. तो अगर कुछ भी क्वेरीज है तो इस वीडियो के बारे में आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए और लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू।